Spider-proof your CCTV. Spiders. They may be beneficial in some ways, but when it comes to your CCTV cameras, they can become a major annoyance. Spider webs can obscure the lens, affect the image quality, and require frequent cleaning. In this video, we'll share some essential tips and tricks to spider-proof your CCTV system. 1. Regular cleaning. Make it a habit to regularly clean your CCTV cameras. Remove any existing webs and debris using a soft brush or air blower. This will not only keep your cameras functioning optimally, but also discourage spiders from building new webs. 2. Install protective covers. Consider installing protective covers or housings specifically designed to prevent spiders from nesting on your cameras. These covers act as a physical barrier, keeping spiders away from the sensitive parts of your CCTV system. 3. Use spider repellents. Natural spider repellents, like vinegar or a mixture of essential oils, can be sprayed around your cameras and cable connections. Spiders have a strong aversion to these scents, making them less likely to approach your CCTV equipment. 4. Seal entry points. Inspect your CCTV installation for any gaps or openings that spiders may use to gain access. Seal these entry points with chalk or weather stripping to prevent spiders from entering and building webs near your cameras. 5. Utilize lighting techniques. Spiders are attracted to light sources, so consider adjusting the positioning of your CCTV lights. Direct light away from the cameras themselves to reduce spider activity in those areas. 6. Regular maintenance. Perform routine maintenance on your CCTV system to ensure it remains in good working condition. Check for any loose connections, damaged cables, or malfunctioning components that may attract spiders. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can effectively spider-proof your CCTV system and maintain its optimal performance throughout the year. Want to learn more? Visit upcoming security,